Dear learner, welcome to your Blackboard course guide. You will receive an email with your Blackboard login details from your course coordinator. Click on the link to access your Blackboard course folder, preferably using Google Chrome. Enter the login details. You will find your course folder under the Activities theme or under Courses. Your course folder will include your learning material, and you will also find a set of additional self-study exercises in each unit folder. To access your virtual classroom, simply click on Join Session, Course Room. Once you enter your classroom, you will receive a notification to test your microphone and audio. Please make sure that your speaker is turned on. Your browser may also request permission to access your camera. Click on Allow. To unmute your microphone, click on the mic icon. It is advisable to keep your mic on mute and just unmute when you wish to participate. When you are ready to share your video, click on the video icon at the bottom. A notification will appear requesting permission to access your camera. You are encouraged to click on Raise Hand whenever you would like to participate in the session. To chat with your teacher and course participants, click on the purple arrow at the bottom right of your screen called the Collaborate panel. If granted access by your teacher, you may even share some of your files in PDF or PowerPoint format. To access a recorded session, please return to your main course folder and click on Blackboard Collaborate Settings under Details and Actions, then click on View All Recordings. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We wish you success in your learning journey with Eton Institute.